Then you would turn off your rainbow. Now you just another Jane though. You a stranger in a strange coat. I could never ever hear your name though. Cause the sound of your name painful. In my head, you just a Jane though. My brain go. Who is you? Who is you? And I never understood who could do such a thing you did. Pissing on my grave, two shits. Feelings put aside, they elusive. I can't even bear excuses. Gave me the fuck you, I hate you, fuck you too, blueprint. I would do it all again, even if the bitches never make commands. I could see it all in your face, you would break it down. Couldn't even make a case, you been haunting me slowly. Can you go? I can't bear to see faces I do not know. Snap you out of existence if it is known. You were not the one, so I'ma send you home. Maybe I could promise you, maybe I could promise you, maybe I could promise you different. Maybe I could figure you different. Maybe what would you do different? If you could've moved different, would you do shit different? Would you love the person in a different set of lens? Yeah. Moving slowly, just to forget what we used to be. Back then you would turn my view rainbow. Now you just another Jane though. You a stranger in a strange coat. I could never ever hear your name though. Cause the sound of your name painful. In my head you just a Jane though. My brain go. Who is you? Who is you? And I never understood who could do such a thing you did. Pissing on my grave, two shits. Feelings put aside, they elusive. I can't even bear excuses. Gave me the fuck you, I hate you, fuck you too, blueprint. You missing our previous vision. How you stuck in your room reminiscing? I can't help but forget you, but in these photos I can't manifest you. Bet you forget to. Am I a John Smith just to you? Am I a God man just to you? Or am I long gone? Am I got away to one bad man just to you? You know that you were the one. Playing secrets, keep it under the sun. Peter this, you just living for fun. Pussy gon' taste good on my tongue. I do not waste food on a bum. Shawty look good, what you throw it, turn it up. All these hits you taking love. You faking love. You a fake hoe and you came from up above. Then you would come out your rainbow. Now you just another Jane though. You a stranger in a strange coat. I could never ever hear your name though. Cause the sound of your name painful. In my head you just a Jane though. My brain go. Who is you? Who is you? And I never.
Electrify my golden tooth. Can't look in those eyes without sparking song. Electrify my heart. Oh, 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 oh. Electrify my heart. Oh, 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 oh.
what time it was, the lights were low. Oh, oh. I leaned back on my radio. Oh, oh. Some cat was laying down some rock and roll, not a soul, he said. Then the loud sound, it seemed to fade. Came back like a slow voice on a wave of fade. That weren't no DJ, that was hazy cosmic drive. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children use it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Switch on the TV, we may pick him up on channel 2. Look out your window, I can see his light. If we can sparkle, he may land tonight. Don't tell your papa, or he'll get us locked up inside. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie. Starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it, let all the children boogie.
This guy needs help with his car. I think he came from afar, like another state. I don't know, he just points at the stars, and the way that he talks is bizarre. Right in his leg, I know, what's to make it a car? I don't know, look, it caught me off guard. Looks real strange in the dark. Look, it's here at the park. Bark! What the heck are you saying? Probably speaking some Spanglish. Oh my God, it's an alien. He's a foreigner, ain't he? No, not from Mexico, Braden. He crashed his car on the pavement. Dummy, that's a spaceship.
We found the location.
Patience, sneak in and take him. Retrieve the spaceship with no hesitations. Don't let the locals know that we survey them. Threaten with forces, they make altercations. Good gracious, how did they make this? Go get my tool set in some beer cases. Ordnance are nations made by aliens. Like Toyota. Dummy, that's Asian.
Got him.
What the heck are you saying?
Those are government agents.
Knock it off, he's a harmless Asian.
We're preventing invasion.
Stop illegal immigration. Oh, right, he's not for the taking.
Stand back, we're protecting the nation.
Please. You ain't no patriot. That's enough. You're men in black, okay, so what? You may have blasters, you got the ducks, but we got the tractors, we got the trucks. You dirty bastards better give up. Chasing aliens and beating them up.
Don't defy us, we're authority.
Look, it's a trailer park, we don't give a fuck.
What? They fixed it.
What the heck are you saying? Huh?
Thank you.
Don't let them escape you. Hurry now, for they take you.
Uncle Sam, we're ready to face you.
Activate eraser.
Our memory's fading.